一下，那我再往上这个河流，多晃，随时随地断。
In front of you is a whole mountain of wild wineberry plants, with no exaggeration. Yes, you heard me right. It is wineberries that I found. Many people tend to call them wild raspberries, and they have good reasons to do so, because the two fruits look and taste almost the same. In fact, wineberries are raspberries' Asian cousins. They're invasive plants in the US, and they spread pretty aggressively. So, a mountain full of wineberries is hardly surprising. Wineberry leaves have pointed tips and serrated margins. They are green above and silvery white beneath, just like the wormwood leaves that also have white undersides. The cane of wineberries are reddish brown in color and are covered with hairs and prickles. I try my best not to touch the canes when collecting wineberries, but still, I got many tiny scratches on my legs, as I cannot stand wearing my pants in the hot summer. Wild wineberries can take on different colors, including orange, red, purple, and black. While orange and red ones are tart and sweet, purple and black ones are quite bitter in my area. They taste sort of like Chinese medicinal herbs, therefore almost inedible to me. Wineberries are protected by little hairy pods, or calyx, when they're young. As they get mature, the pods open up and peel back. The berries are exposed and they come up pretty easily off the cane, leaving only a central core behind. So the fruits are hollow, just like the raspberries. Yet, there are still differences between wineberries and raspberries. Cultivated raspberries are larger in size and have pretty dry surface, whereas wild wineberries are smaller and tend to exude sticky, sweet fluid. Thus, your hands will get pretty sticky after handling wineberries. But the good part is, wineberries are also much juicier than raspberries. In addition, wild wineberries are tartar in flavor and have more prominent seeds. Although I usually don't appreciate a tangy taste, I have to say the tartness is quite pleasant and refreshing. We like to sprinkle wineberries on top of our vanilla bean ice cream or to make wineberry smoothies. But today, with these 2 pounds of freshly picked wineberries, we're going to do a no-bake wineberry cheesecake. First thing first, rinse your wineberries in salty water and dry them with paper towels. You want only juice, but no water in your cheesecake. For the base, we use crackers, chocolate, and melted butter. And for the filling, we mix wineberries with 8 ounces of heavy cream, 2 blocks of cream cheese, half can of condensed milk, juice and zest from half a lemon, and 2 drops of vanilla extract. Then keep in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Simple as it is, you're done.